Hello everyone, this is New Life with Precious. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do salt bath to solve all life's problem. How to do salt bath to solve all life problems. Thank you so much. You're welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. If this is your first time on my channel, remember to subscribe my channel right now and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Okay, let us get right into today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to do salt bath to solve all life problems. Yes, you will ask me, how can I be free from life problems? But I tell you, you can be free from life problems. All you have to do is just learn how to do salt bath every day. How do you do a salt bath? You can use any kind of salt. It doesn't really matter what salt you use. Cooking salt, bath salt, whatever you have. Just use any kind of salt that you have. But in my own case, I've been doing this for years, and I tell you, I am a living testimony to what salt bath can do for you. Salt bath has a lot of spiritual benefits. If you're suffering from any problems at all, you're having a marriage problem, you're having a relationship problem, you are looking for the fruit of the womb, you are experiencing the problem of promise and fail, your business is not moving, you are not having business sales, you are sick, you have a disease, people hate you, you suffer from lack of love. Whatever your problems might be, salt bath is going to solve your problems. In my own case, I use Epsom salt. I use Epsom salt every single day. You can do salt bath multiple times. You can do it multiple times every day. You can do it once in a day. You can do it whichever way your spirit directs. In my own case, I do salt bath every day, and I tell you, it has helped me really good. In fact, I can't even tell you how much it is. I've lost words. It has improved my life, it has improved my health, it has improved my business greatly. So I want to encourage you today to continue to do salt bath. You might have done a salt bath in the past and you felt, this is not working for you. But I want to tell you right now that start doing it again. If it doesn't work for you, continue to do it, because your faith is very important. Don't just believe in the salt, believe in the power of what the salt can do for you. Believe in the energy behind salt bath. Believe in God. Believe that God Almighty creates salt. What do we use salt for? We use salt in our cooking. We use salt as a flavor. We use salt to sweeten our food. Imagine your life as something that needs to be sweetened up. Imagine your life as a food that needs to be sweetened. Imagine your life as a land that needs to be sweetened up. So use salt today, because when you put salt in your mouth, it tastes really good. Put salt in water, drink it, it tastes really good. So how do you do salt bath? All you have to do is just get some water in a bucket, like your bath bucket. Just put water in it and just put a pinch of salt in that water. Then you have to pray to God. And I tell you, you have to have faith. You have to believe 100% that this is going to work for you. Like I said, believe in the power behind the salt bath. Believe in the energy behind the salt bath. Okay? Believe in this. Pray to God. Tell God whatever you want to attract into your life, whatever you want to reject in your life, whatever it is at all. You're looking for the fruit of the womb. You're looking to boost your business. You're looking to boost your sales. You're looking to be pregnant. You're looking to have a husband. You're looking to have a wife. You're looking to help your business. You're looking to have a good health. No matter what your situation is, no matter what your wishes are, take your wishes and your requests to God. So after doing this, then you have to bath with this water. You have to bath with your water. You have to bath with your water. Like I said, you can do this multiple times every day. You can do this once a day. Whichever way your spirit directs, continue to do salt bath. And I tell you and I pray, your problems shall be solved. Your wishes shall be granted. You will begin to have a new life again. Okay? So there you have it, guys. Salt bath to solve all life problems. Do this and leave your testimony in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, join this big family. If you have not already done so, like, comment and share my video. If you love this video already, give it a big thumbs up right now. Subscribe to my channel and I promise you your problems shall be solved. This is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you all. Have yourself a wonderful time. Bye.